Alright, here's our second video. We're not very good at making these, but we're going to give it a shot here. Now this is what the fat ass did to the bike the other day. See that? Fucking blew the back tire. What a fat ass. Then, he bends that axle. Fuckered up all the threads on this son of a bitch and everything. What a cocksucker. And there's my friend Alan. He's a big old gorilla. Like 8 foot tall. But we're just trying out this camera that I just got and taking some videos. There ain't much going on here. What do you think? All you can do is laugh. Yep, that's what we're doing. We gotta put a new tube in this son of a bitch and she'll be ready to roll again.
And your turd S10.
Here's the new S10 Turnmobile. Fucking got that thing for 500 bucks. She ain't bad. And then there's my little toy on the back. There'll be more videos of that upcoming. But this was just a short video to see how this works out on YouTube and see what happens. But this is the Die Hard Chevy fan. We'll talk to you later.